What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I'll be doing a technical analysis breakdown for a block with the ticker symbol SQ. Remember that if you want a chart analysis guaranteed to be done, please read the description below. Before we begin, please take a second to give the video a like and subscribe for more chart analysis. I appreciate all those who have already subscribed and liked my videos. Just a reminder that this video is for entertainment purposes only, does not constitute any financial advice. I will first go over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. So just to let you guys know, I am releasing a course, so stay tuned for that. So let's take a look at Square, or also known as Block. You can see that it's just pretty much a massive sell-off since last year of October, and we're just continuing to drop like a rock. So I wouldn't be recommending anyone to catch a falling knife. The trend is still intact. As you can see here, if I connect the swings here to here, we're still inside of this channel working lower. So as right now, there's no signs of weakness. We are still staying within the same angle as the downtrend started, so it's a very aggressive downtrend, and I think they want to reach the target that they're trying to reach quickly. So earnings are approaching, so we could see a lot more selling, or we could finally see a small relief for the bulls, maybe some type of pullback before seeing continuation of the trend. Either way, I highly doubt that we have bottomed. I'm still looking at lower prices. Even if we do continue higher, I'm pretty sure that'll just be temporary. You can see that we are consolidating since January, or late January, inside of this little range right here. And recently we just had a break outside of it. So if I just drag this across, let's go and make this green. So you can see this small little range inside the bigger downtrend. We did have a break outside of it. We are still below the EMA. We're still getting rejected by the EMA. So we did have a break outside of this range. So if we do get a measured move, whereas the target is right at the $83 level. So looks like Block has room to fall to the lower side of this channel. And I'm still looking at lower prices. There's nothing bullish about this chart. Let me show you guys a measured move. I see that we had a leg down right here, and then a little pullback before the second leg continued, and the target for this measured move is right at the $62 level. So let's take a look at where that is relative to the past price, and you can see that it's kind of where Block had a range. So let's go ahead and put a range there right now, so you can see that this sideways pattern Block was respecting for a long time before we saw the breakout in 2020. So looks like we're going to come back to test the previous breakout level and what was prior resistance. So it was resistance here, and then Block finally broke outside of resistance, and now it looks like we're coming back to test that level to see if we find some type of support. So that's right at the $83 level. So that's the short-term target. I think we can reach it fairly soon if the angle of this downtrend stays the same. Depending on earnings, we could even reach the second measure move that I have, which is right at the $64 level, and it's pretty much right where this entire uptrend started. A lot of stocks are just pulling back to their 2020 price levels, and I think we're just going to see lower prices. Nothing bullish as right now, and I'll give you guys an update if anything else changes. So let's go and wrap this up on the weekly chart. So the weekly chart and the daily chart tells the same story of where Block was just consolidating before having a breakout. We couldn't make any new highs, and then price action reversed. So this is very similar to, let's say, a skydiver, where they're inside the plane right now. They're about to take off. They're all excited. They're on the runway. We finally take off. They're going higher and higher, and they reach the peak altitude. And then finally, they jump out of the plane, and now it's just pretty much a falling knife. We're coming right back to the starting point or ground level. So that's how you can visualize what is taking place in the market as right now. This is the same through across a bunch of stocks where we had a takeoff. We couldn't make a new high. We were pretty much at the peak altitude. If I were to compare it to a skydiver, and the skydiver jumped out of the plane, and now we're just coming back down the same way, same kind of angle that we went up, just aggressive and quickly. So we're coming back down to the ground level, which is right over here. So like I said before, we're probably gonna reach that $83 target fairly soon. if earnings is bad, we could see lower prices. But as right now, even if it's bad or good, even if we do see the pullback up to, let's just say, even the 140 level, I'm still seeing lower prices in the future, just because that would be the first breakout side of the green channel. And only when we get a first breakout side of a channel, we usually retest the previous extreme. So either way, still a long way ahead for block to see if the market structure has changed. But as right now, it's just lower prices. Most likely are going to be appearing in the future. Thank you for stopping by and checking out my video. Make sure to check out the rest of the channel, since you might be surprised on what you can learn. Leave a comment down below on where you think prices are headed. Also share the video if you want your friends to learn about the markets. Lastly, I appreciate any feedback to help improve the channel, since I want to deliver great content to you guys. See you next time, and bye.